Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha, and if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Let's get some light. Ooh, yeah, that's a lot. So anyway, in today's video, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of my vflat. So because I need to kind of see if the packaging or everything is okay, so I could throw it off the big box. And I'm so excited to use it, take photos, you know, use it in my video and whatnot. So anyway, guys, I don't really like light. It's too much. Anyway, so I'm gonna quickly unbox that and then yeah, enjoy. So there you have it, guys. This is my vflat. It's so easy to set up, whether for photo shoot or video. So the reverse side is black, for those of you that don't know. So, you know, I don't really have to be bringing out my backdrops now to film a YouTube or do shoots sometimes, unless necessary. So even if I'm doing a photo shoot, you know, all this can be done in Photoshop, like just clone it and whatnot. So yeah, this is, let me move back. So this is the full size and I could spread it. And one good thing is it comes in with a bag. Let me see. So guys, it has this portable bag. And let me tell you guys, this thing is really light. Like, you can, like, it's really light. And you just fit it in the bag and then, you know, go about, shoot on location or wherever you're shooting. So I'm going to be incorporating it in lots of my shoots. You know, there's plus reflectors. And I have some BTS that I want to post, but without this. But we're gonna shoot with this, and yeah, I'm gonna, yeah, let me know, do you have a vflat? Do you use one? Did you make one, or did you buy a ready-made one? Because I thought of making it one time and then I was like, okay, I don't even know, like, you know what, since now there's a company that does it, just grab from them. So yeah, I'm so glad. It actually came on Saturday, but I wasn't feeling myself. So yeah, it's just that the box was bothering me there and I kind of want to take it out. So yeah, now I'm gonna dismantle it and put it in the bag. You know what? Let me show you guys. Hold on, let me show you. Hey guys, so as you can see, I have the vflat here. It's in this bag with their logo and whatnot, and it's very light actually. So, you know, now when I'm going for photo shoots, say headshots or whatnot, I'm just gonna carry this instead of carrying my whole setup, like my background stand, you know, the colored backdrop, you know, carrying black and white. This one already comes with black and white, and you know, from white backdrop you can make it to gray. So, you know, this is so amazing. So I'm so happy I have it. Now time to trash away these stuff. So yeah, thought I'll share it. And I'm still testing the Rode wireless go. I think I'm gonna get another one, even though it's back ordered, but I see the white one is available, so maybe I'll take it for even days that I need to mic the bride, since you know she wears a white dress, so the white will come in handy. But I think so far I'm liking it. It works with camera and phone. Well, for the phone you need the dongle, which I'm gonna do a separate video about this. But I just got in something from Amazon, so I got the female adapter. I think this is the male to female, you know, whatever, the mini jack to XLR adapter. Let me be technical. So yeah, let me know if you like this video. So I have a question, guys. So would you like me to be doing Tech Thursdays video, or should we call this session Tech Thursdays, talk about tech? But, or you know, I don't know, let me know, because I don't want to start Tech Thursdays but then yeah, let me know what you think. Should we do that? So yeah, and so if it's Tech Thursdays, that means I'm gonna talk about, you know, video tips, photography, video equipment and whatnot, photo shoots. So let me know if you like that to kind of be a thing, or you know, it can be occasional thing, because sometimes cool stuff can happen on Thursday, but you know, but we still have our occasional Tech Thursdays. Let me know what you think. All right, and now I'm still working around the scheduling, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. Did I say washing? Okay, I just need to wash the dishes. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on xoxo, which is, you know, my personal blog, and don't forget to follow Picturesque, because that is where you're gonna see me use more of this, more BTS. That's my photography page, and yeah, thanks so much for watching, and see you on the next one. Peace.